If you can see right here, a little stain on my shirt. After doing my hair and my makeup, I just could not be bothered to change my top. So if you see it, sorry. Hey guys, okay. Why do I keep clapping? Okay, let's just start.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Promise you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know who I am. I'm Brittany, obviously. Welcome. This is going to be one of the last, if not the very last video that I film in Los Angeles. It's been a crazy ride. Yeah, I'm gonna be one of those crazy people. The lighting adjusts. It's a little later in the afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock. I just could not get around to doing this. But here I am finally doing it. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a haul from the entire Los Angeles summer experience. I'm showing you everything I got. It's all over here compiled. It's literally everything. So yeah, this is a haul of everything I got in Los Angeles. Let's get into it. Where do I start? I guess I'll just start. Is it better to start with clothes or end with clothes? Let's talk about clothes I got in LA that is like, I guess LA based, not even really in any sort of form. So I was only able to go one thrift store out here. It was kind of disappointing, but I didn't have a car and it's hard taking the bus. It's difficult. I really only wanted to do it when I had to go to work. So I only got one top when I ever went that one thrifting time, which was, I think it was called Out of My Closet. It's on Sunset. It wasn't bad. It's not pricey, but like it seemed more like they handpicked stuff. So it's this top. It's a little cropped and stuff like that. I really like it. It's yellow. I'm very into stripes and yellow. I've been for quite a while now. It's not new. I'm into the whole 70s vibe. That's my vibe, my aesthetic, and it's got cute little strap stuff. So yeah, you get the point. You get the point with that. And then I went to Melrose Trading Post and I found this cute, super cute little shop in the back where all tops were $5. So I got two. I got two tops. So I spent $10. No tax, which I'm from New Jersey, so this tax surplus has really been irking me. So the first one is this, stripes, of course, first of all. But it's this pink, white, and black stripes. Fits like a freaking glove. It's perfect. You don't need a bra or anything. I love it. She's seamless on. She's amazing. And I got this other top where, it has a vertical stripe. Wait, vertical, horizontal? Vertical, definitely a vertical stripe because horizontal is like the sunset. So, and it has a cute zipper. Downside to this, listen, I only paid $5, but it came with this, you literally cannot, but it came with a little, you literally can't see it, whatever. It came with a tiny little hole that I did not notice. It is my own fault, but I still really like it. She's cute. This was free, but I got it in LA, so I'm gonna show. Sorry, I'm already laughing about it. But it's this Nickelodeon radio swag bag. At my orientation, literally like first day here, we had a tour with Nickelodeon and we just happened to be like a lucky group and we got free swag. So I got this little bag and I got this cute little pin, and these bags are like great for like going to the gym or what else are drawstring bags used for? I really cannot think, but they are good for stuff. This is just like a good thing to have, and it's sturdy too. And I took two of them because why not? You guys already know. Let's do makeup. We're doing makeup. Crazy. I honestly did not even get that much makeup out here. Just dropped it. And you've already seen the two things from my Melrose video, if you watched that. If not, I'm gonna show it. So the first, I went to Glossier. Dream. And I got the Milky Jelly Cleanser. This, as you can see here, is the full size. When I hauled it, I only got the mini. The lady gave me the wrong one, so I got the full size for free. So I have the mini and the full size. Mini's in the bathroom. So yes, I like this, but I don't like it on its own. I use this after I use my face wash, so I'll use my, like, whatever I use to wash my face, and then I'll use this after as like a conditioner. for my face, as it says. And then the only actual makeup thing I got is this NARS Velvet Lip Glide. I think their velvets are new, the Velvet Lip Glide thing in general. This is in the shade Swing. Love it. Not on my lips right now, sorry, but they make them look plump. They look juicy. This is like the best natural color, and then like even after like the shine, like top full whatever it's called goes away, it still has like color on my lips. That's amazing. I love that. So I had the bright idea that something I wanted to do out here, because I am cheap, I wanted to go to the 99-cent store. I was like, we gotta go. We'll never know what we find. We gotta get out there. We gotta see what could be out there for us. So besides getting like a few random food things, because we wanted cheap food to like hold us over for the next week and a half being here, I got two fun little things. I don't know if I just said that, but I just repeated. I haven't even taken the tag off yet. I didn't even realize I didn't. But it's this jar with fake sunflowers. This is like, it is such an unnecessary purchase, but because it was $1, I was just like, I need it, I want it, I love it, it's so cheap. And it's so cute to like put on your nightstand. It's simple. Celine said it reminds her of like the clown sunflowers that squirt out water. So that's where we're at with that. But I love it. I think it's cute, and I'm hoping, I traveled with glass here, like mason jars, so I'm hoping this doesn't break on the travel back. If it does, I'll still have the flower at least, but it'll be a disappointment because I like it. The other thing, yeah. So I suckered myself into this because I was like, when am I gonna get the opportunity to ever buy this again? Will I ever want to buy this again? But I bought a Virgin Mary candle. Listen, it was $1, you know, and it's really just like a fluff candle with, you know, this big sticker on it of the Virgin Mary. But I just thought, you know, if you ever need to burn away the sins, why not? Here she is. We've burned her a few times already. So I just feel judged by myself, honestly. I suckered myself again into buying this. But this is by, who is this? Schwarzkopf Professional? I don't know if I completely butchered that, I know for a fact. But I am God, I'm just making noise, sorry. I felt like I was losing some of my color. I just used it today actually to help like make my color look more normal again. But it's tone enhancing bonding mask, and I have the shade Warm Blondes. They also have Cool Blondes. I had to ask the lady and be like, what kind of blonde am I? Which do I need? But I just felt like I needed it because I needed a good mask out here that would like lift the ugly brassy color, which I think it does a good job for the price point, definitely. This was like, I think $30, maybe 24, something like that. So for how much I'm getting, and I haven't even used that much, I've used it like 3 times. I think it's really good. We're almost done, I swear. Yeah, you saw the bag, Forever 21, okay? I'm a sucker for Forever 21. 2 trips to Forever 21. One was in store and one was online. I will definitely say the one thing I hate is the price jack here. In New Jersey, there's no sales tax, okay? So I'm not liking this increase, but I love Forever 21 so much, so I couldn't stop myself. The first is this ribbed bodysuit. Very plain, very black, but it has the straight neck line, which I really like. And the back is like completely open. There's just like some straps and stuff. A little scandalous, sorry dad. But I just think it's really cute, and it's a really simple basic that you can throw on with so many things. Even if I covered the back with a jacket, it still works really well and plays up really well. This is just like a fun little thing. It's just a white bandeau. Let me tell you, it does not stay white very easily. Simple white, nothing to it. I really don't even know which is the front, which is the back, which is upside down. But I already feel like, luckily this was only like $5, I think. So I might end up just buying a new one because, listen, she already looks super dingy and I've worn her like 3 times. Oh, this top I got from Forever 21 with the cute little stain, yes. Super cute, Wild Honey. Oh, sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. My bee. I bought these shorts because they were 50% off, originally 22, got them for 11. They're size too big, so my grandma's gonna have to take them in. But I've wanted a white pair of shorts, and these are like fringy and like cut off looking and everything like that. And the best part about these is that they are not see-through. That was my biggest fear with white shorts, is being see-through. What's the point? But I love these so much. They're so cute, and I got them at a great price, which made it better even though they were a size bigger. Love. It's like a tradition for me. Anytime I go into the Forever 21 store, I always buy a cute pair of socks. Bought this one with clouds and sunshines on them. Super fun, super cute. I love. I'm also wearing shorts from them. This is about as good as a shot it's gonna get, but they're just simple, purple, and comfy. Yeah, okay. The last article of clothing, you're really gonna have to go based on the picture for this one, but it's this fun, it's backwards. It's this fun skirt. It's this really cute like plaid skirt, but then it has like straps here, like overalls. It's, okay, just look at the image. But it's so fun and so cute, and I love it. And I think it was only $22, which is really, really, it is. Yeah, here we go, $22.90. That is a really, really good price, I think, for this, because I think if I had seen this in Urban Outfitters, it would have been upwards to $90. So I love a good steal, obviously. I also bought a jacket online from American Eagle, but I had it sent home so I could save the $5 on tax. Like I said, that drives me crazy. Obviously, I'll insert an image. I really, really, really wanted a white denim jacket, and I just could not stop myself after trying it in store. And in store was $80, and then online it was on sale for $47. So I was like, ooh, steal, I gotta get it. It was a sign from somewhere, probably the Virgin Mary candle. So, okay, we are down to the last two items. And they are both shoes. Of course your girl had to get shoes. She is crazy about shoes. So the first pair, ooh. Look at these bad boys. Red booties. This is something I did not know how much I needed in my life, because I saw them in Forever 21, $30 by the way, which is really good for booties. I just could not stop myself. I was like, oh, girl, how often are you gonna wear red booties? But I was like, girl, how often are you going to wear red booties now that you have red booties? So I just could not stop myself. I love shoes. These are Nike. They are. These are Nike, I think they're called the Cozen? I could be completely making that up. I probably am. I'll insert the name here. But I really like these. They're like a nude shade with a little bit of pink detail, which I really like, because my top two favorite colors are yellow and pink, and I just love this because the nude really goes with everything, but the pink, you know, love the pop of pink. I will say though, these are like more platform in the back and not really in the front. So after a long day of wearing these, you kind of feel like you're on your tippy toes a little bit. I know that sounds weird, but trust me. So these are not like a crazy all day walking kind of shoe, I would definitely say. And that is everything. We finally got through everything. We're here, we made it. Whew. So, I just want to say I'm so grateful for my time out in Los Angeles. It has been completely amazing and great out here. My internship, I completely loved it there. The people I met out here will change my life forever. I am so forever grateful to be able to do something like this without needing a job, because I know there are people out there that can't do this. So I am so grateful of the position that I am in to be able to do this. So now that my little spiel and my whole haul is done, if you guys like this video and you liked watching me, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean so much, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye!
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Brought me you.